Today, I'm going to show you how to download Hill Climb Racing on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can do this by using the search bar on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Simply click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store. When it appears in the search results, click on it to open the app. If your PC doesn't have the Microsoft Store installed, you'll need to install it first. Also, if you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you'll need to create one to access the store and download apps. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the window. Click on the search bar and type Hill Climb Racing. After typing it in, press enter, and the game should appear in the search results. Now, you should see Hill Climb Racing listed. Click on the game, and it will take you to the games page. On the page, you'll find a Get button or an Install button. Click on it, and the download process will start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, the game may take a few minutes to download. Once the download is complete, the game will be installed on your PC. You can either open the game directly from the Microsoft Store or use the search bar on your taskbar again to search for Hill Climb Racing and click on it to launch the game. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.